You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To replace the H1 full beam light bulb and the side light bulb, remove the closing cap on the grille side. Remove the electricity connection for the light bulb by pulling on the back part, not on the wires. To undo the bulb, you must move it towards the outside of the clips on the holding stud. Pivot the hook, then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then move the metal clip back up. Reattach the connector.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
To remove the side light bulb, take hold of the plastic cap and make a quarter turn to the left. Everything should come out easily. To remove the bulb, push and unscrew a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the cover back on. To change the H7 dipped beam bulbs, remove the cover on the car body side. Remove the electrical connectors. To undo the bulb, you must move it towards the outside of the clips on the holding stud. Pivot the hook, then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections, then move the metal clip back up. Reattach the connector. Put the cover back on. To replace the bulb on your indicator, take the bulb frame and make a single clockwise turn. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.